Oh no! It is broken! Could you help fix it? Yay! It's all right now! What an exciting machine! What could it be? It's a dumper! Ooh, let's check out how it works! Let's inflate the tires! Tap on the... All the tires look okay. Great job. Whoops, our machine has got dirty. Let's wash the dirt away. Woohoo! Let's soap it up. Tap on the screen to do it. Now let's wash the bubbles away. Swipe the brush across the machine. You're doing great.